It's a growing stone, gives you the ability to make things grow, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit on here and we're gonna make this YouTube channel grow. It's magical. It's magical. Yeah? Yeah. Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of UGW Brothers Vlogs. I am here with the world famous little Katie. We are here actually in St. Petersburg today because we wanted to check out the Sunken Gardens. Right? The Sunken Gardens was built a really long time ago. It used to be a private garden. It was purchased by the city. Now it's like one of the oldest roadside attraction in the United States. That's crazy. So we're basically waiting right now because due to like everything that's going on, which I can't really talk about, sort of like letting people in bit by bit. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool so far. Just right here you can tell how gorgeous it is.
There's a talking bird over there.
It's actually just a bird. Okay. So we're gonna go check it out in a moment, but we're gonna get started. It's actually, luckily it's really shady, looks like, because it's like really hot today. Really hot today. So Katie wants to take some photos. We talked about coming in here for a couple days, and so far I'm really impressed. Like really impressed for like just like a roadside deal. This is so far pretty cool. Anyway, guys, let's do this. Little waterfall, little lily pads, really beautiful little flowers. Definitely gonna take some photos. They're really cool, actually. These are the kookaburras, laughing kookaburras from Australia. They look super cool. Giant heads, small bodies. They almost look disproportionate. They're not really making much racket, but these guys back here definitely make a ton of noise. And that guy over there is really active. He's just chilling. Look at that.
chocolate.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. You look really healthy.
Yeah. And then the flamingos are down this path.
Really?
Yeah.
Flamingos.
Oh wow.
Look, uh-oh. They got a beef going on. All birds bite. Don't touch them. Ew. Oh, he's squaring up. Yeah. It's like, come on, bro. You want some?
And the two on the top are just like, leave this alone.
You want some, bro? You want a piece of this?
Hello, flamingos.
I don't know. We're gonna find out in a second.
Flamingos are not having it. They're not getting attention.
I guess they're settled now. Uh-oh.
No?
Uh-oh. He's got jokes. He's got jokes. That's hilarious. Alright. I don't even know where we're going. We're going some. Oh, look at that. There's the flamingos.
And then
Just chilling.
So probably have to go back around and go there.
Look at that. Like, even the eyes pink. Like, you can't even tell they have eyes.
Cause they eat like.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
That one's like poofing itself out. Look at that. Pretty bird. Oh, look, they're coming over. Pretty bird.
No, run away. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Photogenic? You want to be? You want to send? Literally, it's all
Yeah, he's just kind of chilling, right? Chilling like a villain. They're friendly. Don't put your hand in there, but
I'm not going
I'm sure, like, things are gonna.
hurt you unless you annoy them.
Things are gonna feed them. He's just like chilling, man. He's just right here. Like, we don't even matter. Hey, what's up? How you going? Hi. They're all coming over. You can get so close to them. That's wild. That's crazy. I didn't know they made noises like that. They're all sort of just coming over now.
Attention, food.
Pretty birds. What'd you do?
There's a train in there.
Yeah.
Whoa, butterfly.
One of these things is not like the other. Oh, did it scare you?
Get him.
Oh, these are Chilean flamingos.
Chillin' flamingos.
Chilling. They're chilling. They're chilling flamingos. Yeah, let's go back and let's go back into the forest.
It smells amazing.
Well, look at this like vine wall. Yeah, it smells delicious. Man, that's intense. That's an intense fragrance. Lady of the night. This stuff is like from Brazil and all over. Crotons. I like crotons on my Caesar salad. Do you like crotons? Rainbow eucalyptus. Look at this bark. It's almost like not real. It's like
someone painted it.
yeah, it's like somebody painted it.
I've seen them like one of these trees before.
Yeah. Sunken Gardens growing stone, fossilized limestone rock, originally found in the center of the sinkhole lake, which formed Sunken Gardens. Legend has it that he who sits upon the ancient stone shall be granted tranquility, inner harmony, and the talent to make things grow. Traditionally, the first day on the job for Sunken Gardens employees always includes a trip to the growing stone. This is a growing stone. The ability to make things grow, like a YouTube channel, right? We're gonna sit on it. It's a growing stone. Gives you the ability to make things grow, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit on here. We're gonna make this YouTube channel grow. It's magical. It's magical. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, train legs yesterday. Ooh.
Sausage tree.
It's a rough day.
It's a sausage tree.
It's a sausage tree to grow sausages? I didn't know sausages grow on trees. Must be vegan sausages. Ooh, look at this. Little fishies. Little fishies. Man, I can't get over this. This is crazy. I mean, how long this probably took. Oh, there's alligator snapping turtles in here.
Is there?
Apparently.
Baby ones, probably.
The alligator snapping turtle in this pond is relatively small. Where's the turtle? Like many animals, alligator snapping turtles blend into their environments. Okay. Find a log in the water. See if he's by it.
Yes, he's dead.
Oh, there he is, right there. That big old giant rock looking thing, that's a turtle.
Turtle?
Yeah.
He's underneath a rock.
He's humongous. This said it was small. No, he's not. He is the rock.
He is the rock.
See the tail and freaking, that thing's huge. Imagine getting bitten by one of those things.
Probably die.
Just
fine.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Bye, sunglasses.
Almost gave it to the alligator snapping turtle.
Turtle?
Curdle. It's my new name for turtles. It's the curdles. Probably see them better from this side. Look at that.
That is like 3 of my, like 15 of my
Right.
hands.
Guys, this is not a rock. That is a whole turtle. That is insanity. Okay. You want to go pet it? You want to feed it?
Giant waterfall. I just want to stick my head in that. My heart, I think I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's another abandoned place.
thing. They cut that cave and set it here.
Yeah. I'm guessing this is going to be something at some point. These used to have animals and stuff in them. Or maybe we'll just put a thing up and we'll just put you in there.
No. Oh God.
They'll feed you and give you like stuff to play with. Like it'll be like the new age child. You get to see what they're like, and you can play iPad and like Fortnite.
Barely any Wi-Fi here anyways.
Barely into Wi-Fi. See, that's a typical thing. You could say that to people going by, because that's what someone of this age growing up would say, and it'd be interesting, and then we could sort of try to like figure out kids these days, because you guys are confusing. Yeah, this is that field.
Giant little.
The giant field, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know.
That wall of vines that we saw on the other side.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Those are the demons that I fell on.
Yeah?
The crown of thorns.
The demon plants?
Demons attacked me. Why do you believe it? The pop sucker stopped popping out. The guy who originally made this place's name is, let's see, George Turner.
George Turner? I think we're
And
done.
then it got passed down through generations.
Passed down through generations. Herbs. They don't look like they're doing too good. Yeah. Pineapple sage. And then more stuff coming, some more exotic birds. Like this whole thing is gonna be exotic birds. That's cool.
There's more flamingos.
There was a bridge, like, so there are other places you can walk through. Because this is sort of kind of a maze type deal. There's a main pathway, and then there's like a lot of little pathways. So this is where the store is. Alright guys, that's it for the video. We are sitting in the car running the AC right now because it got really hot, like really hot. Like Katie's over here dying, she's melting. So she wore jeans, I wore shorts today. I used my noodle. I wore shorts.
I'm dumb, it's fine.
It's alright. We can't all get the brains. So I got the brains. That's why I'm mom's favorite.
Oh God.
That's why I'm mom's favorite. You know it's true, I'm mom's favorite.
No, you aren't.
Yeah, I'm mom's favorite.
No.
Yeah. Definitely dad's favorite. Oh man, yeah. So what did you think? Was it cool?
Super fun.
Yeah.
It just got drastically hotter as we were standing
really,
there.
Really hot. It got really hot. We took a bunch of photos. Well, I took a bunch of photos. She was just trying not to pass out.
If you probably come here while it's like more like cooler, like winter.
Right. Come here when it's cooler, or come here really early in the morning, like rent it right when it opens, because there's a lot more pads that we didn't even take. It's just really too much right now to keep going. We basically saw most of it. You can really take your time. There's a lot of benches, and they're actually adding more stuff, like a lot more like like a lot more birds and stuff. and things like that. So it's pretty cool. They do have it seemed like they had like a tour thing that you could go with as well. Like a lady like grabbed a bird and was walking around with it. So I don't know what that entails. A lot of photo opportunities. There's a lot of things that you could do here.
Get married.
You can get married if you choose to do that. A lot of cool things. A lot of really cool things. Definitely worth going and visiting. Actually, as like a roadside attraction, it's actually really neat. And it's like literally right in the middle of this town. There's like a restaurant right there. Like it's crazy, but really, and the flamingos are really cool. Like the flamingos are actually legit.
They were coming up and like screaming.
Yeah, they were actually coming up to us, and then they just
Oh my God.
yeah, they were like right there next to you. We got a lot of cool photos. I can't wait to see how they turned out. And then they started like battling each other. I guess one commented on the other one's weight, and then the other one stepped in to stop that, and then they all just got into it. I guess I don't know. And they were chilling. They were chilling flamingos, right?
Yeah, they were just coming up to us.
Chilling flamingos. They were pretty cool. Came right up to the fence. I would advise putting your hand in there because I can't imagine that if they bit you, it'd feel nice. And then there was like some other birds and stuff.
You can feed the koi fish.
You can, yeah. You like $1, you can get koi food. Like, yeah, they ask you if you want to get koi food at the thing, and they're giant. And I'm guessing like some of the other ponds and stuff, they're gonna add some more stuff. But a lot of things are gonna be changing in this whole deal, and it's just really, really cool. Like I said, there's so many more paths that we didn't even get a chance to go to, and because I noticed we didn't see some of the birds that we saw from a distance. There's like some cool bridges you can walk over, so you could definitely spend some time in here. It's just really freaking hot right now.
Spent like an hour and 30 minutes in there. Not that much.
Yeah, so we spent about an hour, but yeah, that was rough. It was rough going for a second there. We got really hot, we were dying. They were like, water, please. But it's all good. Yeah?
Bright red, it's fine.
So you glad are you glad you came here?
Yes.
All right.
Your English
Yes.
doesn't make sense.
My English doesn't make sense, she said. She's got jokes. But yeah, it was worth coming down, so it was worth driving the hour to come see it.
I'm the one with really sucky teeth, so I shouldn't be talking.
I don't, it runs in the family, though.
It's fine.
So but pretty cool. You do have to sort of keep your distance, but it's alright.
There's not a bunch of people that, like, it's so big, there's not really much demand for that.
Right, we didn't really run into anybody. You can give it a few minutes or walk past somebody who's standing looking at something, and you're good to go. Like, it's no big deal.
Like, wear the mask, like, inside the actual area. You just have to wear it inside.
Right, once you go into the building, you do have to wear a mask, but once you go into the park area, you're good. So, plus, I wouldn't advise wearing a mask working around in the heat out there anyway, because you might definitely pass out. So, anyway, super cool day. Super cool day.
There.
Yeah, what was that? You're like made noises. You're like,
It's weird, tiny noisy, it's fine.
Alright guys, much love to you. I hope you're enjoying this week's content. We're going on a lot of adventures. There's tons of stuff we have planned for this week before I have to take this one back home.
I don't want to go back, but I have to.
Yeah, she's gotta start school next week. So
and online's gonna suck with 2 teachers.
Yeah, still online, but you know what? It's alright. It's alright.
Better.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, comment, like, subscribe, share the content, help us out. Yeah.